Hi guys, in this video I'll show how to disable Facebook share button. Share the Facebook share button that allow anyone can share your post in the timeline in his profile. If you need to disable it, go to create post, click to create post, anything, type anything, and from public you see under your name on the left you have public. Set it to friends or send to friends, and that allow just your friend that share your post. And then next step, scroll that, unless you go to three dots in the bottom right and go to setting and privacy. From setting privacy, go to setting and scroll down under privacy, hit it, and you can see who can see your future post. Go and try it now. Go to from public, go to friends, and that's the only way to make your button disappear about the share stuff. And this video for today, I hope that helpful for you, and don't forget to support my channel to see new stuff, and see you next time guys. Bye bye.